Step 1. Access the application portal. Go to xplore.bme.hu and click the Apply Now button. You'll find helpful guides, sample tests, and all the information you need about the application process. Register and log in. Create a new account if you need one. Accept the privacy policy of the admission system. Create your account and log in. After registering, you will be able to begin your application. Select the relevant application period, then click on Enroll Me. Before proceeding, you must review and accept our application terms and conditions. Please take your time to read them carefully. After accepting, the application form will be available for you to complete. Go back to the fee-paying application page and click on Application Form, Full-Time Studies. Scroll down and click on the application form and attempt Quiz Now. Complete the application form. There is only one application form, regardless of your program level. Please ensure you provide all requested information. While missing data and documents can be submitted later, note that this may delay your application process. Ensure your name is entered exactly as it appears in your passport. This will be the name used on your letter of acceptance. Fill in your address and email information. Please use a valid, regularly checked email address. If you are applying through a recruitment agency, make sure to include your agent's details in the relevant section. In question 21st, select the program you are applying for. All available programs for international students will be listed for you to choose from. Provide the relevant details about your previous qualifications. If you are in your final year of study, include your expected graduation date. You can skip question 30th if it does not apply to you. In question 32nd, select the type of language certificate you are submitting. Make sure you upload a scanned copy of the certificate in question 34th. We recommend uploading documents in PDF or JPEG format. This is how you can upload your documents. The same process applies to all documents required for your application. To upload a document, click on the Add a Document button, select the file from your device, and then click Upload this file. If your document contains multiple pages, please merge them into a single file before uploading. Upload copies of your educational documents, both the originals and their English translations. There is a separate page for each study level, so make sure to complete only the sections relevant to you. At the end of the application form, we'd appreciate it if you could share how you heard about our university. Now you're ready to click on Finish Attempt. Then submit and finish. Well done, you're almost there. Only one more step remains to finalize your application. Go back to the application form. After completing the application form, you will be directed to the application fee and bank information section. You'll need to provide the bank details used for transferring the application fee, as well as upload a copy of the payment receipt. Important: applications that do not include the uploaded warrant will not be processed, so please ensure this step is completed. When making the payment, be sure to use your unique reference number. This will help us easily identify and match your payment to your application. Once you've uploaded the payment receipt, simply click on Finish Attempt to complete your submission. Congratulations! Your application is now officially submitted. Next, we will begin evaluating your application. Please keep an eye out for notifications from the system or messages from us regarding the next steps in the process. To stay updated, check the bell icon for notifications or use the chat function for any messages we may send. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your application.